Today we have a debate competition. The topic is whether we should have sports period every day or once in a week is enough. So we are defending that once in a week is enough and our opponents are saying that every day we want. We are here competing in this debate and demanding for no PT daily. So it sounds nice in a fantasy world playing all day games, but it does not feel real in real world. In schools we have very heavy syllabus to complete. If you take every day single period 40 minutes, we cannot complete our heavy syllabus. So we demand for a 1 PT each week.
Yeah, they're asking you 40 minutes for play. You are saying that you
You're only
Okay,
thinking about
wait.
yourself. You're not thinking about all the high schools, right?
Yeah, okay, if you give
syllabus outside of school, you can take coaching for.
You can take coaching outside of your coaching
We
source.
also take no everywhere.
Wait,
Yeah,
yeah,
we also take everywhere.
You can study for outside of school.
You can learn right? You can go to coaching right?
For studies, anything syllabus or.
Yeah, you can go learn coaching also right?
Not only have only single day. See, you in a week you'll have 6 times PE, and in a month it is 20 periods you're wasting, which is 40 minutes every day you're wasting. 40 minutes is a 20 minutes.
We are also doing now.
You can memorize half of your syllabus in that 20 minutes. You can memorize half your syllabus in that 20
This is
minutes,
not
okay?
about the time. This is about the skills. We are learning.
You cannot learn anything in that 40 minutes.
I thought you can learn
It
40
makes
minutes.
PT what playing games. It makes us. What you want to tell? What means what you want to talk about?
We want to talk about that. We don't need PT daily. We need it in a
Why
week.
you don't want
I
PT?
want it every day.
We need it every day.
For our mental health. When you study,
I'll ask you a simple question. If a player gets injured, who do you call? Another player?
You call this
Psych?
we have every Indian child wants PT.
Huh.
Every children wants sports. You also want
I
sports.
object it. Some people want to study. What about
Some
them?
people want to study, but
What about them?
you have never played PT. Sorry, you have never played sports.
That was
Any games you have not
every day we read syllabus and all. But what about this games?
Wait, can you crack NEET by studying at home? Only 2 hours? Can you crack it?
No.
No, can you crack it?
You go as a student, not as a player.
Yeah, there are separate schools for sports and separate schools for studying. We are going to regular school, not for sports school.
We can't become cricketer, but we can
Practice daily.
That your teammates are telling that they will
Yeah, they
become
become, your teammates are only saying that they will become better in this 40 minutes.
For relaxing our mind after studies, we need.
You can go to
You can go home, you can go to library, you can do meditation at home.
We are not doing that. Just reading and reading special.
Because in education, if we didn't adapt now, our body can also cause soreness and pain, full back pain or anything.
For curing that, you can do meditation, you can do yoga, you can do exercise.
Who are interested in sports, means who are interested in sports, they want to play. Means,
Every day.
Also, only play. You need 2 or 1 period with it. We are not at all talking about every period. We are only talking about one period.
Okay, what? 40 minutes, 1 minute.
You are telling
Can
about
something?
You are telling daily PT will cause our energy lost.
Yeah.
What is the advantage of studying?
Study,
Huh.
you can build a career, right? You can build
India is
a career.
represented in studies or in sports.
See, I'm telling you.
Suppose you are in America, you will tell India is studying in very high topic.
Please listen.
So has India come forward in sports? Olympics?
Yes, it's come
Olympics? Say how many
Olympics
medals did
not-
India
but-
win it? Say how many medals India win in Olympics?
in
Can you please
World Cup it can represent no.
Anil Kumble, he was a mechanical engineer plus he was a cricketer, right?
Cricketer in 40 minutes. And how you can complete your full academics in 40 minutes?
We are not completing our syllabus in 40 minutes. Others are needs to complete, right?
Only one weekly one person gets.
No, you can't.
So I say education and sports both are important for us. Who want to build career in education, they can choose that. Who want to build career in sports, they can choose that. So both are important and both are equal. So focus on both. I say.
Both side education and both are important.
We respect.
and it should be balanced.